Hi, everyone. Welcome to my studio. I'm Hein, Embroidery Software Specialist for Janome America. And today I want to just give you a quick tip on setting your default hoop and your brand of machine. So I'm going to open my software and get right to it. So let's go in here. Here we go. So here you see my software. I have it open to the welcome page. And just really quickly, over on this side should be your videos that come with the software. If you don't see them, there's a little triangle there you can open and close to get those to show. Your recents would be here. And then, of course, how to enter the program are in these boxes here. So I'm talking about this box right here. This is where you would set your default hoop and your machine brand. So you can come in here to the company and pick your machine company. We offer many different companies with the software. And then all of the Janome brands, model machines are over here. So you would pick your model and then you could pick your default hoop. And that means whenever I open my software and go into create new, to a new page, I will see that hoop that I've set there, which I think is pretty neat. It's very, very handy. If perchance, I'm going to make a little shape on here and select it. If you're working and you don't see your properties, you can right click up here in the gray spot, or your colors, same thing. So those will show up there. The other thing I want to talk about is working in inches and metric. The software defaults to metric. So when you first open it, you'll notice that it's all in metric. And if you prefer to work in inches, on a Mac, you can go up here to Artistic Preferences, and you'll open this window here. On a PC, you would go to Tools and Options, and you'll get the same window. Right here in this window, you will see, if you've just opened your software, it's going to say to Imperial. And that means if you click there, it'll take you to inches and your software will be set for inches. I've already gone there, so if I wanted to go back to metric, I would click here and it would say to metric. And then I would close my window. I would have to restart my software and then it would be in inches. As you can see here, I'm in inches on this one here. So one of the neat things too, I just want to cover, if you like to be in inches, but there's a command, or maybe you're following something and they say to put the length of the stitch at 2 millimeter, or maybe the width of a stitch at 2 millimeter. You don't have to go and change your over to the other from inches to metric. All you need to do is go into your properties, and I'm going to show this with a satin outline. Here's my outline width. If I want to change that to a 3 millimeter, I would just put in here 3.0 mm, hit return, and now I would have my 3 millimeter. Now, if I was working in metric and I gave a command to you to make your circle 2 inches by 2 inches, up here you would put 2.0 and then you could put IN, and it's going to change your circle. Now, if I'm in inches, I don't have to put inches in there. But if you are in metric, you could do that and it will convert it. And up in that toolbox, it will show metric numbers for you. So you don't have to go out and get the other numbers and bring them back and so forth. So that gives you a few things that you can try with your software to get you up and started. You have your default hoop now. And then I'm going to talk a little bit more on my next one about the background, how my background looks, so you can see that. And we'll talk about the color palette as well. If you have further questions, you can always join us over on our Janome Artistic Digitizer Facebook page. It's the one with the blue banner. And we have lots of videos, tutorials, and lots of inspiration and help over there. We're kind of open 24/7. So I'm going to let you all go now. Have fun playing with your software. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.